simple wig review for you guys. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I know this is not the appropriate wig cap, but hey, I had to make it do what it do with what I had, so that's what I use. Y'all know I'm not no makeup person, but I just threw some little crazy looking stuff together and it'll be okay. So I'm gonna be reviewing Outre lace front Donna. It's an L part. So it looks like that, and this is what the stock card looks like, and I just got her in a 1B. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing her today, and this is an older unit. You've probably seen it everywhere on YouTube, but hey, I'm gonna try it out for myself, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I like it and how you can style it and everything. Like construction of the unit, Donna is a hard lace unit, which I don't really mind. She has an L parting. You can see right here, she has a comb on one side of the parting and a comb on the other side. And I'm not sure why they're like, you know, one of them here, one down there, but okay. Then she has one at the bottom, and then she does have adjustable straps. And this is what the curls are looking like. So I'm about to plop her on my head before I cut the lace and stuff, just to show y'all what it looks like right out of the. This is Donna, straight out of the pack. I have not cut the lace, as you can see, and the lace does run from here to here. It runs from ear to ear. I didn't cut the lace. This is the parting without me doing anything to it. So it is a little dent, so I am gonna go and pluck some hairs out of that part, you know, just sort of look more natural or whatever. And I'm gonna like pop some concealer in there because I don't have like a beige or tan colored stocking cap on. But yeah, it looks just like the stock card pretty much. I mean, you really can't do a middle part with this just because of how it's made. Like this part's up higher, so yeah, I do suggest the side part. But yeah, the curls is popping. I'm probably gonna run my fingers through them to, you know, give it a little something. But other than that, I think it's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off and pluck this part, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what I come back. I did go in and just pluck the part just a little bit, and I added some concealer. Or powder concealer, whatever it was. I added that underneath. I do mine underneath. Some people just go in and put it on top of the part. I don't. Sometimes I do. This depends. But lately I've been putting it underneath. So yeah, I haven't plucked the curls out yet, but I am gonna go ahead and finger comb them. But I think they look really good, and they're nice and bouncy. They're not stiff hair. Wear it. Like, girl, I like this. I like this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of finger comb through this. Okay, y'all. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done fluffing it out and all of that. Overall, I like it. I love that it's like flowy and bouncy. Like it's not stiff. It's really cute. I think this would be a good, you know, you could go to work with this wig. You can go party with this wig, dress it up, do whatever you want to do. You could throw it behind your ear if you want to. I'm not doing all that. I'm wearing it just like this. And yeah, you know, you out the door, you can throw you some glamorous makeup on. I can't do none of that, but that's okay. Y'all know I'm a bald-headed hoe right now. I cut all my hair off, but you know it's okay because that means more wig reviews because I'm ordering more wigs because I'm bald right now until my shit grow back, okay? So I will see y'all in the next video. I'll leave links below where you can get this wig at and other items. Sweet Serenity. Sweet Serenity Growth Drops from Sweet Tresses 2. I'm sorry, that's a tongue twister, but Sweet Tresses 2. And I will link where you can order this set. This is helping me grow my hair back, grow my edges back, because all my shit came out. It's helping me along with the sweet Slay Edges edge control. Baby, get you some. I'm gonna link that below though. I'll see y'all next time.